So what we're doing right here is that we laid the string across here so we can get a level line. And as you can see, this level is right there. Now we're doing with the mark on the shovels, we then determine how far down 12 inches is from the regular surface. When this is a standard surface, the native surface, 12 inches down. So now they're kind of laying out the whole trench right now so that it's a nice level before we put the aquifer pipe in there. Then after that, we'll put the aquifer pipe in and we'll water level it with the water. Water level with the water, yeah. So, and then we'll fill it back in.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.